So if you're getting a really loud rattling noise coming from your engine bay, especially on a cold start, your issue could be with stretched timing chains. So these timing chains are made to last a really long time, even the life of the car, depending on the car make and model. So the rattle usually comes from a failed tensioner or a stretched out timing chain. And when timing chains stretch, they cause a lot of slack. So you could imagine a stretched timing chain inside this timing cover and it's just slapping around, and that's where that rattling noise comes from, especially on a cold start when everything is still not up to operating temperature. So they usually start out with a noise, and after that drivability issues along with timing codes. So if you get to the point of having timing codes, you should get that addressed immediately. And most of the time it's going to be a complete replacement of the timing chains, the guides, the tensioner, and so on. And that is the only fix for a rattling timing chain issue.